Hi, my name is Adrian. In this video I will be showing you how to use the Loft function to ideate on shapes within a 3D modeling software. The inspiration for this video came from Render Weekly, who in this week have a challenge of doing a loft shape using two curves. The loft function takes two or more curves and draws a surface between them. In this video we will be using Loft to explore shapes, and I will be using Rhino as my primary 3D tool. I prefer Rhino over Fusion in the exploratory part of design because I find it to be less rigid and I can have multiple shapes next to each other within the 3D space, which makes for an easy comparison. Before going into Rhino, I'll just quickly show you one of the benefits of using a software such as Fusion or SolidWorks. In these programs, shapes are often built using sketches. And by having these sketches, you can easily go back and edit this curve. And as you press Finish Sketch, it will update and you can see the lofted function is updated. This makes it very easy to ideate on a specific shape. However, I think these softwares makes it very hard in the open exploration because it's not as fluid as Rhino. You're very much stuck to this one object in this one space. So I'll just jump into Rhino and show you how I use the Loft function to ideate in there. We're now in Rhino and I have prepared two sets of identical curves. If I just select the first one here to the left and write Loft, see, and hit enter, Rhino will make the Loft function. And if you remember what I just showed you in Fusion where you could take the sketch, then in Rhino this will be a curve. Then you'll take a point and you drag it out. Then, unlike Fusion, this surface won't update. However, there is a trick to get around this in Rhino. So if we take the next two curves here, highlight them, and then press Record History, and then we write Loft. And we press OK. We can now then go in and grab our curve. Oops, there we go. And then you can pull out this point, and you'll now see that you have a live link between the curves and the shape. This is a very easy way to explore different variations of a shape, and you can unlike Fusion, it's very easy to just make a duplicate and then try something new. Maybe this one needs to go down, or this one to the side, and then you just make a new copy. And for me, this way is very quick and efficient just to try out different expressions simply by adjusting the two existing curves. And then you only have a limited amount of control points. You can also, on the one we did without Record History, just hit F10 and then you'll get all the control points of the surface. However, I think you can end up with a bit more like extreme curves because these two doesn't follow along similar to if you did the same thing on the Record History. However, doing the control points directly on the surface can allow for a different type of curvature than just adjusting the curves. So that is how you can ideate in Rhino using the Loft function. I highly recommend toggling on Record History. The last thing I will show is Grasshopper and how you can use the Loft function in an exploratory way. This is Grasshopper in Rhino, and to the left you see how it's set up. And I have a top controlling the top curve and a button, and here I have some different inputs for radios and segments and fillet radios. Then I have the move here, is the height between top and bottom. And then I have a rotate for the top one to rotate the curve. And then I have the loft function here. And then if you're happy with the shape, you just hit bake. And then you can save a copy of it. Otherwise you can go in and tweak your shape using the, in my case I have used the numeric slider. I think Grasshopper is quite fun to play around with. I'm not that good in Grasshopper, so when I'm using it, it really adds some randomness to the output I get. That was it. 3 different ways of working with shapes in Rhino: Loft, with and without record history, and then Grasshopper. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please let me know in the comments below. Bye.